Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa Family. I just want to make this video today. Today is the first time this Jam Tours is actually going out with Jamesh to the market. I just want to make this video, family, because I'm getting so much comments and on the YouTube video saying, Kenya is flooding out and a lot of stuff, and how is the weather there, and a lot of craziness, family. So, I just want to make this video, guys, just to share some insight, guys. Like, when you watch the media full up your brain and pack up your brain of, like, I don't even watch the media no more. I don't even watch news because I know what they're showing on the news. So in Kenya here, just like in any other country, rainfall in Dubai, the whole place flood out. The whole airport, the whole island, the whole country or wherever flood out, family. And you show it on TV and nobody knows nothing. Or when rainfall in Kenya, they go to the slum and they show people swimming in water and all kind of thing. We're not showing that people live normal life. Rainfall, you drive on the road just like when you're in London and Europe. Rain dry. Rainfall, you still a drive, you still go about your business and stuff. Them now come and tell the people and now show make you look normal. Like rainfall, it's a natural thing. Rainfall, place flood out, it's normal. Some people live in here that don't flood. Some people live in here that flood. Same thing happening in Jamaica. It just depends on where you're at in the country. The flood will happen, and in some area you have no flood. In my area, Cambridge area, you have some place that flood, some that don't flood. Some the river stream run through your land, your house might flood a little. But today is a sunny day, everything is normal. I don't know what is happening on the other side and other part of Kenya. But where I am at, everything is safe. I was driving all day in the rain yesterday and stuff like that, family. So, and I just want to let you guys know that it's normal. So don't be panic and don't feel like don't let that change your mind from coming to Africa and coming to Kenya. The media, is always there to distract and do a lot of stuff. That's what they do. Anything happening in Africa, they make it look like it's the entire Africa and it's the entire Kenya. Everywhere in Kenya it's flooding and people is dying. So So we just want to share that with your family, and even find some of the local people who try to just make people know that it's normal. It's a natural thing. Rainfall, some place will flood, some place not going to flood. Just depends on where you had, family. So this is Jam Tours Africa. I'm reporting to you live from Kenya because the media is dead, and it's now content creators, people who just vlogging and sharing their life. These are the people you have to depend on right now for the right and correct, and not like fake news, family. So we're there today. It's a sunny day, it's a Saturday. Me and Miss Jam Tours going to the market. First time with Jamesh in the market. I'm just gonna share that with your family. So let's go. Just waiting for Miss Jam Tours to come, and we can go to the market to get some fruits like we always do. So let's go, family, let's go. So the sun is out, as you can see. It's a sunny day, it's a nice day, and we hope that it will this will be for a while. It's the rainy season now in Kenya, so if you're looking to come, expect some rain. Rain is showers from Jah, and it's blessing from Jah, family. So you already have a little rain, then drought, you don't have no water and everything dry up, all your crops dead. So, rain is better than, and dryness. So, so which one would you rather, a little rain or no rain? Which one? Because, water is life. Life is water. You can survive without water. 90% of your body is water, or liquid, or whatever. So it's just what it is, family. So, let's wait for Miss Jam Tours and let's go to the market and we show you that, everywhere is normal, just like any other day. In Dubai, they're fixing Dubai. In Kenya, we're fixing up the little that happened to other part of Kenya. We'll be doing the same thing, we'll be fixing it. So, Miss Jam Tours is coming now. So that's Miss Jam Tours there, she's coming. Let's wait on her for she to come. Yeah, so let's wait on Miss Jam Tours. Why not step on your thing? You still sleeping? You still sleeping? So Jamesh is still sleeping, family. 3 months old. 3 months old. We take him out 3 months old. Alright, family. You know what I mean? Let's go. Yeah, family, I'm sorry to cut Miss Jam Tours, but my mind was on this 3 tomato drinks, and I said I want to drink it going to the market. So I cut her from her point. I'm gonna go outside now to withdraw the money for the market. Now Miss Jam Tours will talk to me right now. Finish your point. Come on, finish your point.
Love my voice is even.
No man, it's alright. Finish your point. Finish your point.
What was I even
Let's
saying?
hold the camera.
Love, what was I saying?
Let's finish what I was saying.
And when you come, we'll continue.
No man, let's finish it. You can learn your vlog inside.
Abare.
Sorry.
See Leo? Yeah. Somebody's outside selling. Let me show you guys. Where's this stuff? Somebody's busy selling belts, like the Maasai belts. Yeah, and wallets. So. What did you translate?
Yeah, family. So, while I was in bed this morning, Miss Jam Tours was looking on the Instagram and seeing a lot of stuff that, people just been, BBC and all these news outlets just been posting a lot of things about Kenya, like the entire world is flooding out, the entire country. And even people link me up and say, I want to see what is happening in Kenya and so forth. So, I just have to make this video to show you that, depends on where you are. It's world.
Sorry, I cut you short, but
family. So in Kenya, we don't use government water. We use SBC, Africa Borehole Drilling Services. They don't want to get close. On the side. Oh, yeah, these pipes. Yeah. Big up, big up. How much you dig a borehole? 1.2 million. Alright, family. So to build up. Eh? Yeah, man, I'll call you. Yeah, I'll take it. What's the number, sweetie? What them name? SBC borehole. Yeah, family. So just to let you know, in Kenya, 1.2. 1.2 million Kenyan shillings to build a borehole. And that's real spring water deep down in the earth. Fresh and clean. No chemical, no fluoride, or chloride and all of this madness, family. So just educating you. Okay? Salty. Yeah?
salty. There are places where water is far much above the ground.
Yeah.
And others you have to dig, okay?
Yeah.
For you to reach the water.
Yeah.
Still, if your place has salty water, they can continue digging further to get the fresh water.
Fresh water, yeah. So somebody there building a borehole or what? Maybe that neighbor is building a borehole.
But inside here, this is
I don't think
at home.
But I think what a lot of water is in Kiambu County. I don't think you have to dig too far.
The problem is, no, you still have to dig.
Eh?
You still have to dig. That thing literally swallows like 40 pipes of that.
Eh?
Standing tall.
40 pipes down
the ground. And what I'm trying to say is, for them to drill a borehole, of course you need papers from the government.
Yeah.
And where you are drilling, you must be in a position not to affect your neighbor.
Oh yeah.
A lot of, as they start drilling, the water, yes, is above,
yeah.
But that's that water. So that water has to be, there has to be some sort of drainage.
Yeah.
For it to run there, okay?
Yeah.
And then they have to keep digging, drilling, that's the word, until they reach for that clean water to flow.
Yeah.
It takes, depending on where you are, like the one in 7, where I come from, took like 4 days.
How much pipe they use?
They must have used a lot. You know where I
Yeah, family. So we're just showing you that, you know what I mean, everything is nice. Where I'm at, there's no flood. Everything is nice, family. So I hope you all. Yeah.
And the guy I was showing you on Instagram.
Yeah.
And people will be busy packing home up like.
Yeah.
You can't just use your brains and think something.
Mm-hmm.
Because this is a natural disaster.
Yeah.
It's inevitable.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
It's not if today rain just decides to fall and fall and fall. I mean, we cannot do anything about it, yeah?
Yeah.
And even Dubai the other day was flooding. The airport you could literally see flooding.
Yeah.
You see?
Mm-hmm.
So just a small thing in JKI flooding, not even flooding, that is
It's a
maybe the
leakage.
roof, a leakage or something of the sort. That is something that people can literally do. So instead of people to see something and be busy undressing, and it's your own country,
Yeah.
why don't you just try and do something about it?
Yeah. And Kenya not even have flood like how Dubai flood.
Instead of just spreading the hatred and the
Negativity
you know,
and
undressing
bad
your
side.
own.
Yeah,
Even in our language, we normally say,
Yeah.
one audio getting to a poor.
Yeah.
Do you know that means you don't undress your own when you see others undressing.
Yeah, yeah.
You understand? Because imagine what other countries will think of you. It's not bad to
1
say
liter.
it's
Give me a liter.
not bad to say.
All right, family. So I'm passing fresh organic juice. Yeah, one. Yeah, a lot of 3 tomato. Tell him, sweetie. Tell him.
Yeah, I was busy taking it down.
Yeah, tell him.
Sasa anasema uweke tomato mingi.
Yeah, and beetroot. Yeah, I'm just going right here. I'm coming back.
Beetroot too.
Yeah, yeah. No, I'll put beetroot.
Okay. Uweke tomato mingi na beetroot.
Yeah, 1.
1 liter?
Yeah, 1 liter.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm going to have a withdraw, sweetie, right?
Okay.
All right, family. So we're going to the market. So you know we have to maybe withdraw to have cash when going in the market. So let's go with us. Let's go. Yeah, family. So 3 tomato. Send money, right? All right. 3 tomato, family. 3 tomato. Yeah, family. So this is what is happening on Cambridge Road, where Jam Tours is at. But this is just it, family. This is just a small little thing. It will dry up soon. And beside the roadside, you see, everything is still now. Still at the so just to show you guys, just like what it is. You know what I mean? So, and everywhere Kenya flood out. You know, rainfall, the water must go somewhere. Nature, and it's just what it is, family. So just sharing that with you. So for all of the subscribers was asking about, you know what I mean, if you come to Kenya, you know what I mean, you can come to the Kiambu area, which is my area, my favorite area I love so much. And you know, now there is no floods. Or in the slums and some other areas, you will find flood because there's no drainage and stuff. But once you're in an area where, you know what I mean, it's taken care of by the government and we have all middle class people live, you know, all unlikely to have these issues. So, Jam Tours. I was saying to myself that if that somebody will ride and pick the camera. But sweetie, that one man, this road is really, it will happen, but it,
Don't underestimate somewhere.
yeah, but highly unlikely.
They are there. You can't remember a certain time when you were
Yeah.
guys there with my voice. That's why. So what I'm saying is, I don't know whether you find it sexy.
A rough vibe sexy. Hell no.
Guys, really?
Guys, see, which man I gonna find a rough vibe sexy?
You're not finding it sexy, it's from your right now. It's sexy. Anyway,
Yeah.
let me bring my point home. So what I'm saying is, you remember a time when we were in Windsor
Yeah.
and we in between, there were investigating some that picking of like when
Big
they,
pocket.
not pickpocket, I don't know what word I'll call it, but the motorbike and then snatching. You
Okay.
understand? And there was even a thing that happened. Through these motorbikes, they're not so good.
Eh.
And actually, there are certain hours, or even during the day, something can just happen to you on these motorbikes. Just
Yeah.
be careful.
All right, fabulous. Be aware and street smart and book smart and out smart. So let's go to the market.
Me a the dancer robot. Me live in the hard drive barn and mess with the hard five, but we carry all night. Listen again, hear the dancer robot. We live in the hard drive barn, now yes with the hard five, we bring it all night long. Yeah, the dancer robot, on the dancer robot, on the dancer robot. Mic and toast, sitting on my flight on Instagram post. Hotter than Sunday roast with the pudding potato and the gravy now boast. Gravy, have to play me. Check the dancer robot. Listen, robot, lyric I be sing. Stepping on me Prada, pop off the bling. Run Lambo, spider, check the thing I win. One pedal in the spring, all in the summer. Stun up here to run off them moat, tear them hot and down, oh yeah. Me a the dancer robot. Me live in the hard drive barn and mess with the hard five, but we carry all night. Listen again, hear the dancer robot. We live in the hard drive barn, now yes with the hard five, we bring it all night long. Yeah, the dancer robot, on the dancer robot, on the dancer robot. Me try living on the computer hard drive, me not survive without the sound of the dancer vibe. I forget my
Yeah, family. So we're now at the market. It's called City Market. It's opposite the hospital called Aga Khan. And Miss Jam Tours is trying to get this carry-on, right?
Jam Tours insisted to come to the market.
Yeah, she insisted to get out the house today and come to the market.
I miss
So,
I
should
miss
you watch?
my job. This,
Alright, Sudie, come let me help you then. Alright, family, let me fix this thing for Miss Jam Tours.
so these things are two, but this one is much nicer for
Younger baby.
yeah, because the other one I have is for it's like a kid who is
Jammy, Ami, your first time in?
no.
We can't take off this one.
It's two one.
Alright, family, so we're at the market, City Market, and we're gonna do some shopping for some fruits and vegetable. Fruits and roots. Eh?
Alright, I should go with the shawl. I just with the shawl. It's kind of
Or inside there might be.
the shawl, not the big one, not the heavy one.
You want this one?
Thank you.
Alright, family, let's go. We have Peter there. He normally carry this stuff for Jam Tours when I'm vlogging. What? What you want? Alright, family, let's go.
Is something? Oh, you tied it?
Yeah, I tied it already. Yeah. Alright, let's go. Yeah, family, so we're inside the market now. As you can see, people are shopping. Let's see if our woman have today. She have nice papaya. Hello. The watermelon look nice. Red. Let's see what we're going up here. So we're in the market, family. We are walk around and we are see what we're going. So market Kenya. Excuse me, please.
How are you?
I'm fine, I'm fine.
Today.
Oh, not today, not today. Yeah. Oh, nice banana.
Hello. He's here.
He's there. When he come, I want to unwrap this banana.
Hello. Oh,
It's coming?
yeah. He's here coming.
Okay. See if this one ripe. How are you? I'm fine, man. What's up? This one ripe here.
That is right. You have the.
Yeah, let me have a hand of this one.
Yes?
This one is small though. Give me this one. And a hand of this big one right here. And have this big one. How much for that? That's you pick it off. How much? Let me have a kilo. A kilo of the tree tomato. All right, family. Purple banana. Yeah, family. So I have to take over the shopping because you know what I mean. This jam tour is back in the car, so let's see you're getting some lime. That'll be how much? 330, right? How much is it? 330. So you know what I mean. Let's go, family. Let's go. It's a market day in KE. Seems like we're gonna have a little more rain. So you know what I mean. So family, let's go. All right, family. So that's the end of today's market. You know what I mean. Let's go. Miss Jam Tours is in the car waiting. So family, let's go. That's the end of today's market, family. And I do hope that you like and share this vlog. You know what I mean? If you're coming to Kenya, Jam Tours is here to take you around and move you around and show you around. So link up with Jam Tours. We are here and we're showing you the better side of Africa. We're not showing you the bad side, we're showing you the better side so you can be inspired to come forward. Alright, so let's go. Let's pack up. Seems like we're gonna have some rain. I hope we don't. But what we notice here in Kenya, in the evening time, there is always rain in the evening time. So, you know what I mean? Let's go. Really, what happened to you? Yeah?
The watermelon is here.
Yeah, the watermelon is here. Okay, perfect. All right. So, let's go, family. Let's go. All right, guys. Like, share, and comment on the video. Let me know your thoughts. We are out. One love to bless Jamaica. I'm out.